SoundSwitch just released version 1.7. Some great new features in it, and I'm going to talk about my favorite one, movement effects. Thanks for checking out my SoundSwitch quick tip videos. I'm an avid user, as you guys know, and I love to share information with you guys when I can about what's new in SoundSwitch and how to get the best out of the software. So 1.7 just came out and there's some great new features in it. There are things such as support for 4-deck mixing, auto loop override. There is the new high intensity pulse feature in the auto scripts, which you can change out. And my favorite feature is the movement effects. So there's a bunch of other things too. Check out, I'm going to put up in the link somewhere, the official release video, and we'll talk about some of the other new things in there soon. But the movement effects is where it's at for me. So this was a user requested feature. So, you know, you have your positions that you can use in SoundSwitch as is. But people want to see like shape effects, movement effects, so, you know, circles, figure eights, stuff like that, as they were going through the position cues. So with movement effects, you can now drop an overlay on your position track and add those effects in. And you can change the speed and the size of them. There's a whole bunch. There's scans, there's figure eights, there's triple eights, ovals, circles, all those kinds of things. So let me go over to the computer, show you guys what that looks like, and we'll tell you how to use it. All right, so here we are on the computer. So I've just set up a quick auto loop here. I've already put in my position cues here, and I just have this set up pretty tight just so you guys can see it in the shot when I load that up in a second. So to put your positions in and your movement effects, just highlight the track here. And right here, I'm going to click on the movement track, create movement effect. So right here, we have the circle. Here are all your options. So let's load the circle in on that spot. I'm going to make it small just because I'm doing a video here and tight shot. So you have a circle there. Then another one here. I'm going to do, let's do figure eight horizontal. I'll make that one small too. So these are just overlays. It does not replace your positions. So here I have them just in between positions, but if you have a line of positions out there, then you can, it will make this movement effect as it moves through all those positions. So you don't have to do it this way in between positions. You can do it over positions, but I'm just doing it because this is what I like. Load those in. Now let's take a look at what that looks like. So our circle effect. Our figure eight effect. Our square effect. And our horizontal scan. So that's what's new in SoundSwitch 1.7, and that is your movement effects. It's a cool feature. If you haven't downloaded the new version yet, go to soundswitch.com, download it. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, let me know. If you have any questions about this video, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, like, follow, do all those things. Hit me up on social media, Instagram, Facebook, DJ Brian Smith 617. Be happy to be friends with you guys, talk to you guys about SoundSwitch, talk to you guys about DJing, talk to you about lighting. I really appreciate you watching this video. Share it with your friends, and check out SoundSwitch 1.7.